This is an insight from Rahimi Law Firm PSC, powered by freshnews.ai. Marriage-based couples need focused USCIS marriage interview preparation to organize evidence, avoid RFEs, and reduce delays in green card processing. Executive summary. If your marriage-based green card interview is coming up, last-minute scheduling and scattered records can leave you feeling unprepared. When your story and paperwork are not organized, you risk extra questions, more document requests, or even a second interview, many of which can slow your case. Focused preparation means pulling together joint financial records, housing proof, photos, and timelines, and then practicing clear, consistent answers about how your relationship developed and how you share your life now. By investing time before the interview to organize your file and rehearse together, you support your credibility, protect your processing time, and give your family a more stable path to permanent residence. Today's signal. If you have a USCIS marriage interview date, you may be realizing that your photos, bank statements, leases, and other proof of your relationship are spread across emails, apps, and drawers. With interviews sometimes scheduled on short notice, scattered documents and unpracticed answers can make it harder to explain your life together while an officer reviews your file. Taking time now to organize your records and straighten out your shared timeline can make your interview smoother and reduce the risk of extra questioning. In Prepare Clients for USCIS Marriage Interviews contexts, Rahimi Law Firm provides the systematic approach needed to translate these insights into action. Why it matters. Here are 4 takeaways. First, you may receive a request for more evidence if your relationship proof is thin, inconsistent, or hard to follow, which can add months to your green card process. Second, your answers about how you met, your home, and your finances can sound memorized or confused if you have not reviewed them together, which can raise credibility concerns. Third, your work, travel, and housing plans may be put on hold if your case is sent for additional review or a second interview because your documents or explanations did not line up. Fourth, your ability to stay together in the same country can feel less secure if avoidable mistakes at the interview slow your path to permanent residence. How it works in practice. When you file your I-130 and I-485 package, you include initial proof that your marriage is real, but by the time your interview is scheduled, months may have passed and your life together has moved forward. At the appointment, you bring updated joint records such as leases, bank accounts, tax returns, insurance, and photos, and you answer detailed questions about your relationship history and daily routines. If your documents are incomplete, out of order, or do not match your explanations, the interviewer may issue a written request for more records or schedule another interview. This extra review can slow your case and keep your work authorization or travel plans uncertain longer. Preparing now with organized paperwork and aligned answers helps you present a clear, consistent picture of your marriage. One practical adjustment. Set aside 45 minutes this week to sit together and draft a simple timeline of your relationship. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, gather your joint records from the last 1 to 2 years, including leases, bank and credit card statements, tax filings, insurance, and any children's birth certificates, and place them in clear, date-ordered folders. Second, create a written timeline of your relationship milestones, from first meeting to engagement, wedding, moves, jobs, and major trips, and review it together until you both feel comfortable explaining it out loud. Third, print or organize digitally a small set of labeled photos that show you together with friends and family over time, noting dates, locations, and who appears in each picture. Fourth, schedule a mock interview with an immigration attorney or trusted advisor to practice common marriage-based green card questions and identify any gaps or inconsistencies in your explanations or paperwork. Read more at rahimilawyers.com.